I'm Dr. Sammons with Sozo Life and Wellness in Elizabethton, and I'm here today with two of my friends who have been part of receiving a new therapy that we're offering here in our clinic. And I'm going to let you hear firsthand from them exactly what their experience is. And so, first of all, on my immediate left, I have Miss Tracy, who's here from Glade Springs, Virginia. And I'm just going to let Tracy share a little bit about what she experienced. And Tracy, you came in and you were having some pretty severe headaches. You also were experiencing pretty severe brain fog. And I'm just going to let you share just a little bit about what the pain levels you were having and what you experienced after only one treatment. Okay, so go ahead and just tell me a little bit about that.
My headaches were like sickening migraine headaches. And I've had 4 treatments, but after the first treatment, my headaches were gone. They were on a level from 0 being no pain to 10. They were level 8. My brain fog left the first day, as well as my energy increased. My energy level increased dramatically.
Okay. And so you felt this after just one treatment, and you felt it within what, hours of doing the treatment? Would that be a correct assessment?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. And so now you've done a total of 4 treatments, and each time you do a treatment, are you feeling continued improvement?
Much better, yes.
Okay. All right. Okay, thank you so much. And to Tracy's right, we have my friend Janice. And Janice is from the Tri-Cities area. And I'm going to let Miss Janice just share a little bit, and you can talk to me or you can talk to the camera, either whatever you feel comfortable for. So, Janice, you have seen some pretty remarkable treatments. In fact, you were so impressed. The next morning she called, her phone was ringing early in the morning, and she was like, I want to book another one. So just share a little bit about what you experienced. So,
well, it wasn't.
You can hold that if you want. Go ahead and just hold that.
It wasn't an immediate response, but gradually throughout the day and on into the evening, the brain fog just lifted. I have chronic pain issues. Those were diminishing, and I had a phenomenal energy level, which I have. Brain fog is still gone for the most part. The energy level is still there, and the pain is still less than it was. So I came today for a second treatment, and I'm looking forward to the next response I get from it.
And you also said your husband.
Yes, my husband noticed a significant difference in just overall way I was feeling and was asking me about it, and actually encouraged me to come do it again.
And also, just to so you guys know, the time that you have spent here to do this treatment, you were sitting for how long? What you were here for 25 minutes for the treatment, and maybe 5 minutes on the front end and then on the rear end of the treatment. So it was not a big portion of your day to come in and do the treatment. Okay. Thank you, ladies, so much. And now I'm going to actually have my videographer pan over here, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about the treatment, okay? So we are going to start. As you can see, we are dripping a bag of saline solution. And this saline has actually been injected with just a little bit of my blood. And it has also been injected with some ozone. And what we're going to do is I'm going to have my videographer just follow this. So basically, we inject a bag of saline with blood and ozone, and it's going to drip. And it comes all the way down, and it goes through this machine right here, which is an ultraviolet light. And there are actually 3 ultraviolet lights in this machine. There's a UVA, B, and C, and each one of those bulbs will address different pathogens. So the light is actually irradiating the blood. So there is a glass tube that fits in this machine, and within the tube there are spirals that spin the blood as it passes through all 3 UV lights. It runs back out the other side, and as you can see, it goes into my arm. The total drip time on this infusion is 24 minutes. which is super fast. I mean, you're literally in and out in like 40 minutes, 45 minutes or less. This is one of the most powerful treatments on the planet right now. It's one of the most effective things for autoimmune, for Lyme disease. Many doctors are also using it for cancer. And this will address bacterial infections. It addresses viral infections. It's amazing for COVID. A lot of doctors were using it for COVID. We know that viruses cannot recover from oxidative stress, so any type of viral infection is, they're using this for HIV, for long COVID, for herpes, for hepatitis C. I mean, I've heard many doctors speak on this. Bacterial infections like Lyme disease, fungal infections, mold. We're seeing great things with mold toxicity and also with protozoal parasites. So this is such a cool and easy treatment. I just wanted to share it, and we're making the big reveal today. So thank you so much for your time, and I hope you guys have a blessed day. Thank you.